Hello, 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 and welcome back to our channel. Today we are making baked ziti. For our ingredients, we have ziti noodles, olive oil, garlic, onion, ground beef, sausage, marinara sauce, Italian seasoning, salt, red pepper flakes, mozzarella cheese, ricotta cheese, Parmesan cheese, chopped parsley, black pepper. First, you want to cook your ziti pasta according to the package directions. Once cooked, you want to drain and set aside. We're going to add our hamburger to the skillet, and then we're going to cook it until it is done. Once our hamburger is done, and we are going to drain the oil. Then we're going to add our sausage. We're going to cook our sausage until it is brown. And now we're going to add our garlic. And we're going to stir that for a few minutes. And then we're going to add our onion. And we're going to cook that for a few minutes. Then we're going to add back in our hamburger meat and mix that all together. And then we're going to add some pepper. Then we're going to add some salt. Then we're going to add our Italian seasoning. To the skillet, you want to add your marinara sauce or your favorite pasta sauce. Or you can make your own. And then you want to simmer on low heat. Then we're going to add our can of tomatoes. Crushed tomatoes or diced tomatoes, whatever you want. Now, it's time to start making your baked ziti. You can add your noodles first, or you can add your sauce first, however you like layering your baked ziti. I added my noodles, then my sauce, then my cheese. dry Italian seasoning on the top, and then a little bit of fresh parsley on the top. You want to bake it in your oven uncovered at 375 degrees, anywhere from 15 to 20 minutes, and the cheese is melted. Then you want to remove from the oven. Your baked ziti is done. You can serve it hot and enjoy. We just made baked ziti. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.